In this video presentation, we'll explore and learn the effective use of best regards in email communication. What does best regards mean? A polite, professional email closing conveying respect and goodwill. Best regards are commonly used in formal settings and semi-formal settings. When to use best regards in an email. Formal email sign-off. For superiors, business partners, unfamiliar contacts. Semi-formal email sign-off, suitable for colleagues or business acquaintances. Business email valediction maintains politeness in general communication. Professional email sign-off demonstrates professionalism and appreciation. How to use best regards effectively. Use best regards effectively. Always place it just before your name or signature. Common mistakes to avoid. Overusing best regards in every email. Using it in inappropriate contexts. Inconsistency in email tone. Best regards examples. Personal email example. Follow up with client example. Professional email example. It enhances professionalism and communication. Best regards alternatives. Regards, more formal, ideal for corporate emails. Kind regards, adds warmth while maintaining professionalism. Warmest regards, friendly, good for long-term relationships. Good email ending. Avoid sounding rude. A polite closing leaves a good impression. Encourage replies. Show appreciation to increase responses. Keep communication open. Speak soon or take care maintains the conversation. Personal touch, best wishes, or have a great day. When to end an email with best regards. Suitable for colleagues, business partners, or professional contacts based on context. How to end an email with appreciation. Friendly sign-off, take care, or best wishes. Dynamic best regards GIF, engaging but use appropriately. Professional signatures, enhance credibility. Consistent closings, maintain clarity and professionalism. International email etiquette considerations. Adapt to cultural expectations. When using best regards internationally. English-speaking countries. UK, yours sincerely, 4 formal letters with known recipients. US, sincerely or best regards are both widely accepted. Australia, kind regards is commonly used in business. Non-English speaking regions. European Union, best regards is widely accepted in business English. Asia, consider more formal closings for initial contact. Middle East, use more formal closings like yours sincerely for business communications. Visit our website boostinbox.com and start today.